momentum. So, sit on your ass and focus. Here is tissues. Go cry somewhere else. We do not care. We're here to make money. Now, today we're talking about order blocks. Supply and demand, support and resistance. Same thing. The whole point of it, you need a place to enter. And that is from order blocks. I like order blocks, but first a liquidity sweep into the order block. Alright? So, what do I mean? If you look in a downtrend and you want to buy a long, you want a bullish order block. That is the last downgoing candle before the displacement. Alright? So, I'm so angry I could breastfeed a crocodile. A crocodile! Because this is easy. It's the last downgoing candle. So if the price went down and the last downgoing candle would look like something like this before the move up, you take the last candle, this whole part of the candle, till the low, and this is the order block. Once price moves through and into the order block, then you can look for buys. Now, this is where you need to focus. Listen properly. The whole point of this thing is, you guys, listen here. Are you listening? You need to have passion, alright? Passion for this game. Otherwise, you are going to see your ass. Listen here. Trading is not made for little money to make big money. It's made for having money to make your lot of money, little more money. Don't fucking get it swapped around. How do we make money? Well, by giving classes, selling products. That is how we make money. So I can trade bigger so I can make more money. Ooh. Business 101. You guys will get robbed in checkers if you start. Out! Now, I don't know. I'm so angry. I need a glass of water. We'll continue this class tomorrow because you guys aren't listening. I'm joking. Alright. Now that you guys are done being scared, alright? And I'm telling you, start listening. Alright. If this order block is this big, you can't enter buys here, right? And then your take profit is here. This is not even going to be a one-to-one.